Well, good morning, everybody. We have fully recovered coming back from the...
You've recovered. I haven't recovered.
Oh, get
Need
over
more
it.
coffee.
Good. You're a lot younger than I am. Anyway, we are coming to you live from southeast Wisconsin, overlooking today, this afternoon. The first golf balls are going to be flying here in Lake Geneva area. We're going to be transported over to across the city to our favorite place where we work out this afternoon, and it is called, Miss Kira?
Grand Geneva.
Absolutely. The new home of the folks from the Distillery Channel and the happy hour show that comes on Wednesday night.
Yeah, and they're going to be writing some articles.
Yeah, it's going to be fun. Miss Amber over there. And
yeah, shout out to our fellow friends.
Yeah, it's going to be a great day. Anyway, golf season opens officially in southeast Wisconsin, and Grand Geneva golf balls are going to fly. The ponds have turned into water. The balls won't bounce over them anymore.
You can't drive on it anymore.
No.
You can't drive your car on the lake.
No more ice fishing.
Nope.
Anyway, sitting to my left, which might be your right, is the hashtag Miss Kira Rose, formerly known as Miss Kira.
And to my right, your left, is Uncle Randy.
Old Uncle Randy.
Uncle Randy.
Yeah, we had pretty exhausting 10 days. Actually passed.
But it was really worth it.
It was great.
Just give me coffee and a tournament, and I'm ready to go.
That is. And our favorite guy is... Oh,
wait, why are you moving? Wait.
All right. We found him in the stanza. Yeah, he's going to be walking by here in a minute. He always pops up. Tony Danza in the stanza.
He was in the stanza on 17.
Yeah, it was crazy. But anyway, hopefully...
maybe Dave has some breadsticks for us.
Yeah.
I hope that's all you can eat breadsticks.
There he goes again.
We should just put him in
on a wall.
In a frame.
Yeah.
Just have it behind us.
I wonder if our friend Dave Trevelino is going to come on air.
I said, "Are you ready?" And he said, "Yes."
Well, you better get his breadsticks ready.
He says, "Oh, cool."
Cool.
With the packaging.
Tell him we're waiting for him.
We are waiting for you, period. On the Facebook page.
He's out of training.
That's what happens when it's 3 weeks.
I wonder what happens when stuff has to come out of the oven here at the TPC Potomac at Avenel Farm.
You got that right this time.
I did.
Where were we last week?
We were down at the TPC Sawgrass.
Yep.
In St. Augustine, Ponte Vedra.
Yes,
Northeast Florida, Jacksonville, Daytona, and wherever the bus would take us. So
we didn't get kicked out, though.
No, we made it through.
Yeah, Randy had his banana phone.
You know what? I was going to call Dave on the banana phone this morning.
I need to buy you a banana phone, and I have to buy Tim a watermelon phone, and I get an avocado flip phone.
Yeah, we found out that we can take sustainable pictures with that banana. It's really good. They have a lot of appeal.
It's on our Facebook page.
So our banana phone has a rotary dial on one side, and it's an iPhone on the other, and fully credentialed for any
he took many selfies.
Yeah. So Dave Trevelino, shout out to TPC.
Yes. We had some exciting news to tell Dave.
After the show.
Yeah.
Can't tell him now.
Nope, he's not there, man.
Yeah, nobody's going to recognize me.
Your hair looks good today. I like your new clothes. Who did you get from?
This, as we were going to leave as a shout out to the end, but anyway, Cooper Puma is now our major.
Dave says not seeing the invite.
What?
I don't know what you're talking about, Dave.
Invite?
What invite? Question mark.
Just come on.
Just see our video on the Distillery Channel. .com Facebook page. This is technology at its finest. I can talk into my walkie-talkie.
Young Dave Trevelino is walking the halls of Avenel Farm.
Potomac.
I said Avenel Farm.
Potomac.
But it's TPC Potomac.
Yes, at Avenel Farms. You always flip it and say the TPC at Avenel Farms. Look, I bet you that's Dave watching right now.
Who's watching, man?
Oh,
nope. Nobody's coming
Dave.
on. Come on, Dave. How long has it been since we've done this, Dave?
Dave.
Where's Dave? Dave's not here, man.
Watch, Dave's going to text me. That's because Cassie's not there. Cassie's on a bachelorette party. Weekend. Shout out to Cassie. Don't do anything we wouldn't do.
So at the end of the show, we're going to be doing our thank you notes.
Can you show them our music?
I can. It's going to be really good.
it'll be great.
It is. Here
Wait,
we go.
Wait.
Hey, it's Dave Trevelino. Is watching.
Dave is watching. Dave, do you want us to come bring you on? Let's see if he'll respond. Do you want to come on?
Why don't we try to bring him on? This is exciting lead-in music.
I think this should be early. Why can't I bring Dave in? Oh, I did not. Randy probably forgot.
I didn't do anything. No.
There you go.
I did.
How you doing?
Great.
You guys forgot to tell me you changed the Distillery Channel.
No. It's not a you guys.
No, it's a you guys.
You guys, y'all.
I don't have my headphones.
Ooh, what are you doing?
Can you hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
There we go. By a nose. Glad we got a widescreen.
You hear me?
Yes.
I forgot my headphones.
Well, it's all yours. You go right ahead.
All right. There we go. How's that?
Great.
You can't hear me?
Yeah.
We're
We're trying to make it painful as possible. Go right ahead. Chili.
I don't have a helper either today, so I'm stuck.
We can hear you fine. Go right ahead.
Okay. You guys are killing me.
Good.
All right, hold on now. There we go. There we go. Pasta bolognese. Salad. What's the music playing?
I don't hear any music.
No music.
Hey, Tony dances in the stanza.
Anyway, so French arugula and mozzarella salad with grape tomatoes, tiramisu, pasta bolognese, percatelli noodles. You know what a percatelli noodle is?
No.
Okay, a percatelli noodle is a noodle with a hole in the middle of it. See the hole?
Yeah.
So that way, when the sauce is cooking in the sauce goes all the way through the noodle inside and out.
Ooh.
We're going to heat some noodles up here. And there's two types of these noodles. One's called percatelli noodle, one's called a bucatini. And they're both basically the same type of noodle. We're going to go into the oven with some garlic bread.
Is it all you can eat? Garlic bread?
Only for you.
Yes.
All right. You guys,
if you had unlimited breadsticks, Rory would be there in a heartbeat.
That's not the Olive Garden. Come on, guys.
Yeah.
I can see we're all out of tune here. You guys forgot to tell me we were on the Distillery Channel instead of drinking libations, and I keep waiting. Wow. We are out of practice, are we not?
No. This is about as good as it ever gets.
Ah, come on now. It's better than that. I'm holding the camera. Cassie's on vacation. My maintenance guy's too short. He can't get over the table.
Wow.
So there's the maintenance guy. See, he's too short, so he can't hold the camera.
That's awesome.
You know how those little Chilean guys are.
I just want to know who that was that shredded all the noodles. How do you drill those holes into the noodles?
I don't know. They have a machine that does it.
No.
Right, so we are straining the noodles now. All right.
It's a strain.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the noodles right into that pasta dish there. Bang. And now, for a grand finale, we're gonna. You guys are killing me. Okay. All right, I give up.
Why? It's all good.
Randy, if you look any more excited, we're gonna take you to the morgue. I'm gonna put that down for a minute.
Thank you.
There we go. And I'm gonna plate this up.
Did you fill out?
And Randy's gonna ask me, is this one portion?
Is this one portion? It's so serious.
You two guys.
Well, I think he's just winging it.
And we got garlic bread.
Is it unlimited?
All you can eat from this here. We have some good Weckerly for my Italian cheese. That's real good Italian hard cheese. So we're just going to put a little bit on top. Alrighty, here we go. There we go. That's the finished product. Give me a fork. Okay, so there we have pasta bolognese, arugula salad with mozzarella, tiramisu, and I guess you guys already know what the price is, right? Not the price is right, but you know what the price is. $22.
Well, $22. So this is going to be on the best of days that are upcoming Distillery Channel. It's fun. Magazine. Doesn't get any better than that.
No, it doesn't get any better. So, and we want to start this better. Wait a minute.
All right.
Hold on.
Who gets to eat it? There you go.
Tony?
It looks good, Dave.
Maybe this content will have something.
Well, Dave, we'll be talking to you very soon.
I'll tell you what. You guys are not allowed to go to Sawgrass ever again.
We left a note in the door. They didn't. We know. They go. Absolutely not.
Well, nobody knows me there. That's why.
Well, Dave.
So, Randy.
We'll call you here shortly.
Here they are. Oh my God. Oh my God.
While you're doing that, we'll put your music on.
Now we can hear you.
Wow, there we go.
Oh, that's awesome.
I'm disoriented today. What can I tell you?
Dave, did you sell out yesterday on dinners?
We did.
Woohoo!
We did. And you got my copy of our new Prime Italian Steakhouse. We start Saturday, April 13th.
Where's my ticket? Is my ticket?
Randy has it.
Okay, where's my ticket?
It's next to my full membership. Yeah.
I don't understand you guys. When you were here in November, I gave it to you. I don't know what you lost it.
No.
He lost it in the snow.
No. Just send them. You can go get a copy. It'd be fine. I'll call membership today. I'm sure I can just find my number. That'd be fine. That's all I need. Dave, when I just signed it,
your number is 911.
Yeah, so kind.
Hey, listen. Well, I'll tell you what. Off to the side here, Kira and I had a really good, fun time yesterday chatting about you, and that's all I'm going to say. There were some really cool emojis floating around.
I needed my beauty sleep. I didn't get it though.
And I wasn't going to say anything.
Oh, you noticed that.
Well, only half of your face I noticed. See, I can't see. There you go. Now I can see the whole face. There you go. You guys are not allowed to go to Sawgrass anymore.
Only without you, not without you.
You know, did you get my banana
Well,
phone in the mail?
No, I did not.
Well, it's a cool phone because I use it down there all the time. And it has on one side, it has a rotary dial just for you.
This freaking music's going to put me to sleep.
This is for our thank you notes.
Thank you for the breadsticks.
Yeah. You do know what we're talking about for the unlimited breadsticks?
No.
Well, we'll send you a link that any person that has anything to do with golf should know about. Yeah.
Like this guy. Hold on.
And,
let me get him.
Yeah. And Tony Danza in the stanza was part of what we're going to send to you. So now you'll know what we just put you through without you knowing about here in the last 20 minutes. There you go. No.
Well,
No.
I'm waiting. I'm waiting for my coffee.
You are going to get, when we're done here, I'm not going to say anything more. We can't. We're
Okay.
Under code of silence as of 3:30 yesterday. So
okay.
You're going to get everything you want and more. So
okay.
It's sort of like...
it's like Christmas.
Yeah. Yeah, it's sort of like
all right.
Delta Air.
Because that's what I have to drink until I get that.
That is garbage.
I'm sorry.
That is just...
It's
sorry.
Yeah, it is.
Sure
Yeah, it tastes burnt. I know.
Yeah, wait till you get what we're sending to you, bean by bean. And
you're gonna want all of it.
Put it on the cards, don't worry about it. Anyway, Dave, we really appreciate it and what you're doing for the sailors. It's going to be unfolding. No, you're not worried about it at all. And
After what happened yesterday, I don't think you should.
we were working on it last night up until 10 o'clock, and we won't charge you any more than what we charge you so far. So anyway,
thank God.
Yeah, it's just
because I'm broke.
I don't believe that. You're the man. You're the TPC man. The guy.
No.
You are.
I'm
yes,
no.
you are. Yes, you are.
You are the Dave.
So anyway, it's gonna be a lot of fun. Dave, we thank you for putting up with us today. I think.
Oh, absolutely. But yeah, my pleasure to be your bouncing ball, and I didn't get hurt too bad on the top, so we're good.
Well, you gotta get that done. The rest of it at the barber today. Think about it.
Yeah, I got to take a little off the side here.
There you go. Hey, listen, we gotta go.
Okay.
My phone is dying, but we'll give you a call on your private phone here.
On the rotary.
On the rotary phone. As soon as we hang up. All right. Talk to you soon.
Okay. See ya.
All
All right, bye, Dave.
Bye.
Want to X him out? This music is amazing.
This music is brought to you by the exciting lifestyle of the Distillery Channel, who is now sponsored by Cobra Puma, Rovos Rail, and you'll see a lot of the Cobra Puma fashions going to be on air as we go forward. We really want to thank Rachel for that. We want to thank Dave Trevelino for everything that he does. I know we pick on him a lot, but
we love Dave.
Dave's a great guy, and he does, all kidding aside, Dave does a great job in raising money for the work that he does at the holidays. And this coming year, he's going to be venturing to Guam, and he feeds the sailors that have to remain back to protect our nuclear submarines over the holidays. They're the Kon-Tiki and the Mayflower that he's going to be working on.
Topeka?
Topeka?
And I think
in the
he
Santa
said,
Maria?
No, he said, and Kansas, I think.
Yeah, I knew it was out there in the mid-country. I really don't know. Topeka, I don't know. Topeka's in Kansas.
No, there's two separate.
Really?
Yes, I'm
Anyway,
pretty
it's
sure.
in Guam. We don't know.
That's what Dave said on Wednesday.
We're going to have to take better notes.
Yeah.
Anyway, he's going to be going to the holidays. This past year he did it for the USS Chicago and the USS Mississippi, and then he had a big party on the Missouri. So he does a lot of great things for the sailors. We don't want to joke about it. And he does raise all the money on his own, and we want to really help him with that. So a lot of good things are going to be coming from the Distillery Channel team. And don't ever forget that if you look behind you, Tony Danza is in the stanza. We'll talk to you later. If you don't know what that's about, Google Jimmy Fallon.
I'll post it on
We'll post it on our Distillery Channel. Pretty funny.
Bye, everybody. Have a good weekend.